Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering and preparing the Luxium watch. Plug the magnetic charger and wait until the LED indicates charging. Once done, install the official companion app on your phone and enable Bluetooth and location so the devices can pair. Make sure you create or sign in to an account in the app, because syncing health and notification data requires permissions. Follow the on-screen pairing prompts. Accept notification and health access when requested so features will work reliably. You now pair and configure core settings. Open the app, tap Add Device, and select your Luxium model. Confirm the Bluetooth pairing code that appears on both screens. After pairing, grant background refresh so the watch can receive updates. This prevents missed notifications. Next, set language and time zone to ensure alarms and activity logs match local time, and pick a watch face and quick settings. These customize daily use and make the watch feel personal and efficient. You finish by activating features and learning basic fixes. Turn on activity tracking, continuous heart rate, and sleep monitoring in the app. Set daily goals so metrics are meaningful. Sync manually when data lags, and accept firmware updates to fix bugs and add features. If the watch becomes unresponsive, restart it first. Make sure Bluetooth is on and repair if needed. As a final step, reset to factory only if other steps fail, because that erases local data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.